Is your personal computer slow? Before you think of buying a new one, try these 10 hidden Windows tricks that can instantly boost your performance. Most people don't realize their computer is slow because of simple settings, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix that step by step. Make sure you watch till the end. The last trick is something most people never use, but it makes a huge difference. So section 1 or number 1, disable startup programs. First, startup programs. These are apps that launch automatically when your PC starts and they slow everything down. So to access the startup programs menu, press a combination of Control, Shift, and Escape. Go to Startup tab, disable unnecessary apps, and only keep essential programs enabled. These can make your PC boot twice as fast. Number 2, disk cleanup. Let's clean the junk files. So the first thing that we should do is search disk cleanup. Then select your disk drive, which is local disk C. Check all boxes. Then click OK. These files are useless and they just take up your space. Number 3, adjust to best performance. So right click this PC, then go to properties, then navigate to advanced setting system, then click advanced system settings, then under performance navigate to settings, then select adjust for the best performance. This makes your system feel much faster instantly. The number 4, uninstall bloatware. Most PCs come with apps you never use. So the first step to remove them is go to settings, navigate to apps, and install unwanted programs. Less software is equivalent to more speed. Number 5, background apps. So these are apps running in the background that drain your RAM. So the first step to remove them, go to settings, navigate to privacy, then navigate to background apps. Turn off unnecessary apps. This frees up system resources. Number 6, power settings. Your PC might be set to save power instead of performance. To solve this one, navigate to power options, then select high performance. This unlocks your PC's full power. Number 7, temporary files. Let's remove temporary files. Press a combination of Windows logo and R. Type temp. Delete all the files that appear after pressing enter. Do the same with percentage temp percentage and delete the files that appear. Number 8, update outdated drivers. Outdated drivers slows down your PC. So the first step to solve this one is right click on start, navigate to device manager, update important drivers, essentially graphics and system drivers. Number 9, storage optimization. Keep your storage optimized. So the first step to be done is search, defragment, and optimize drives. These improve file access speed. Then number 10 is the bonus trick. Now, the bonus trick most people don't know is press a combination of Windows logo and R, type msconfig, go to boot, navigate to advanced options, enable number of processors, then select the maximum number of processors. This helps your PC use full CPU power during startup. If you feel if your PC feels faster after this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech, cybersecurity, and computer tips. In the next video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes that's slowing down computer right now. Let's build, fix, and optimize one command at a time.